Hello, my name is AneMarie and I'm from New Greenland. And welcome to my Christmas here in Greenland. So this is actually the third Advent Sunday. And today we're baking. Here in Greenland we love baking. We have a lot of different recipes. But we also have a lot of different traditions that we do when we bake. I started baking this when I was a kid with my mom. It is called pilluarit in Greenlandic. And actually, they also make it in Norway and in Iceland. This recipe I got from actually my friend's mom. Each family has different varieties of their different pilluarits. This one I actually got because I thought it was very, very, very special because what my mom does, she has her own recipe, but she actually has a secret ingredient that I don't know about, that I actually didn't learn about when she passed away. And I can't find the recipe, that's why I got it from my friend's mom. So these we always make each year, and they are very, very good. And in these times you have to be healthy, you have to be eating less fat. So we have a new variety. It has less sugar, less oil in it, so you can actually find the recipe under the commentaries if you would like the recipe, if you want to make it. So it's going to be great. So it takes, I need to turn it. So it's oil I'm cooking it in, so it's very, very hot. Be very careful. So as you can see, I've already made these, so maybe I should try it. It's really good. So maybe you should try cooking it, baking it. Enjoy it, and see you next Sunday.